SpongeBob shoes came to life thanks to Adidas. But the question is it really worth buying? Once again, this is Lex, your sneaker specialist of Collector Finds. So let's start with the box. Actually, this pair is very special, kaya ang dami nitong accessories. Meron siyang cover, yes. Hindi pa talaga yun yung box niya. And yung box niya, syempre, bahay ni SpongeBob. Kita mo naman yung pineapple house niya. And let's go on sa tissue paper off. Meron din siyang accessories right here. Pero mamaya ako napapakita. Tissue paper is the bikini bottom na... Oh, this is the SpongeBob shoes. Actually, pwede rin to pang casual, formal. Pwede. Tara, go over natin yung sapatos. But first, makikita mo dito, very shiny siya, yes. At talagang may resemblance dun sa shoes ni SpongeBob. Imagine, ngayon, came into real life na. So, ang insane ng details niya kasi yung insole niya makikita mo dito. Adidas Stan Smith. And meron din pala dito insole na hidden. Ayan, makikita mo sa loob is si Plankton. Napakan niya. Grabe yung hidden details na ito. And kung mapapansin mo dito, yung toe part niya, medyo may pagka-shiny na design. And the aglet also, makikita mo dito yung socks ni SpongeBob. Red and blue. Sa likod ng tongue niya, ayan, meron ding details na nakalagay. The other one naman here, same lang din. Dito naman tayo sa extra accessory niya. Check natin. Yes, meron siyang extra laces here. Color black and red. And the license na rejected siya. Meron pa siyang parang sticker dito na authenticate na totoo yung card. Ayan. And yun sa likod. Actually, we also have unboxing of another pair, which is si Patrick naman, which you can check on our profile. So, what do you think of this pair? Would you cop or drop? Let me know sa comment section. So the question is it really worth buying? For me, I would say yes, kasi sipin mo naman, may gamit mo siya sa formal and kahit sa casual wear. So, if you want to purchase this, alam mo na, bibili mo lang yan sa Collector Finds. Kaya, i-message mo na sila.